Hello, everybody. Today is April 17, 2026. The temperature is about 80 degrees. We are flying up historic Hominy Creek, a tributary that flows into the Gauley River in Summersville, West Virginia. I am flying a Potensic Atom 2 drone at about 365 feet, below the FAA regulations of 400 feet for recreational flyers. You will see that Hominy Creek begins narrowing the farther we go up the creek. The creek's name is rooted in the region's indigenous history. Hominy is derived from the Algonquian word for a meal prepared from hulled corn. Historically, the name likely refers to the presence of hominy holes, natural or hand-carved depressions in the creek's sandstone rocks where Native Americans ground corn into meal using the flowing water or stone pestles. During the 19th and early 20th centuries, Hominy Creek was a vital source of water power. Numerous sawmills and gristmills lined its banks, supporting the burgeoning timber industry that cleared much of the virgin forest in the Gauley River Basin. Hominy Falls, the waterfall itself, remains a local landmark and a favorite spot for photography and swimming, located just a short drive from Summersville. During the Civil War, while major battles like Carnifex Ferry took place nearby, Hominy Creek served as a frequent transit route and campsite for both Union and Confederate scouts. Today, Hominy Creek is a popular spot for fishing. It is known as a blue line stream, offering trout fishing and scenic views. The rail trail, portions of the old logging and coal rail beds that follow the creek, have been explored by hikers and local historians, tracing the path of the narrow-gauge railroads that once hauled timber out of the gorge. Thanks you for watching.